am so excited! Maybe we'll get to see a swimsuit nip slip!
Don't talk like that.
Please, wait for me, you guys! Oh, I forgot that I invited Agari. So sorry to keep you waiting. I had a really hard time. Walk around school with your maid a half hour from turtle to dawn.
A girl in my class said my boobs look like meatballs.
I'm a bit jealous, though. Huh? Because I'm as flat as a board. Himiko, you've got big boobs. You really should be more confident.
Agari was touched.
Hey, Anemine!
Whoa, meatballs.